Yoo-hoo! Yo-ho-ho! Anyone home, or...
Avast! And who might you be, eh?
I'm looking for a new crew. And I hear you're the best pirate captain in the 9 seas,
It's 7 seas!
Oh, yeah. Make that the 7 seas.
This lad knows what he's talking about. The name's Blackbeak, and you're right. I am the best pirate captain in the 7 seas. Welcome to me crew.
Great job, Wally. Now look for those clams.
Nice place you've got here, Mind if I take a look around? You know, and... clams! Guys, I found them.
What did you say?
I said, clams. I find clams to be delicious,
They sure are. And if that little crew of seabirds had that much booty, think how many more clams we'll find in that village. We strike at sundown to steal the rest of their food.
Wally! Now I can't find my nutcracker!
Not now, Mum. I'm pretending to be a pirate.
Pretending?
Whoopsie. I mean, yar.
He ain't no pirate.
Get out of there, Wally!
Look over there. Kangaroo.
Kangaroo? Where?
Michael.
He's taking our booty. Get him!
Wally, are you okay?
Run! That's our booty.
Get back here!
We got you now, landlubbers. Hand over them clams.
Not today, Blackbeak.
Huh?
You'll never find us in this fog!
Let's get these clams back to the seabirds.
About that. Good news is, we got the clams. Bad news is, the pirates are planning on raiding the village.
We better hurry back. Oh. Sky pirates! They're back for the rest of our food! We said not today, Blackbeak!
You again? Get him!
Wally, you guard the clams while Kit and I lure the pirates away from the village.
You can count on Wally. What?
Over here, pirates! Miss me?
Robots, go!
What in the 7 seas, you?
Oh, no, you don't!
Thanks. Yeah.
Hi! Those are my clams. I stole them fair and square.
Give that back.
Got it!
Get that bucket, mateys!
Get him!
We'll never get to her in time.
Not without a burst of speed. Time for the boomerang maneuver.
The boomerang maneuver? But the last time I tried that, I nearly... I did it!
Thanks, Sam. Ready?
Nobody steals from the sky, pirate! These landlubbers are tougher than I thought. We can't compete with speed like that. Fall back! Fall back!
Nice flying back there, guys. Those pirates never saw you coming.
Thanks, Wally. I don't think they'll be back anytime soon.
I believe these clams are yours.
Thanks, agents. Time for a clam bake!
That's another creature case.
Closed.
Closed.